want a bus. This. Can I have bus? I want a bus.
We'll choose one with
Bus. Bus.
Stick them on on the screen, please. So can you see it's 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. You have to put it on top. No, don't. Push. Oh, okay.
No. Easy.
And you do the same on this side.
Easy, Adam. I know it is easy.
4 of those red pillars.
This Adam. Can I have one? Can I have
There's
one?
another. There's 2. No. It's Kun's going on.
I can't it's called helmet. Helmet. 4.
And then another
What
one.
is the 4?
Sorry, Kun.
1, 2, 3, 4.
There.
This I can do like. Oh, the hurt my fingers, still. The hurt my fingers.
It's not going to hurt your fingers.
How about candle? I need a very good.
Two. 2, 1.
This will help me.
Okay, thank you. The one.
I don't see black one. Black one.
Not finished. Put that on. Put this on there. So push it down.
So easy.
Then just put that to one side.
Something needs a dot.
Yes, like that. And then stick into A. Okay. Well done.
This other than this a helmet.
And
There, with this, and right here, and here, I will just move my fingers to that right. Every time it's this, every time this.
It's alright, okay, we're just nearly finished now. Okay, now. Like that. We